So this is early stage exercise number 3. It is a glute stretch. We use this just to loosen up your hips a little bit when your back's really sore and it's a fresh injury. Okay, so lying face up on your bed. What you're going to do is you're going to place your ankle here on this knee and you're going to slowly draw this up to your body. So depending on how uncomfortable you are, this is the most people can really get when they're starting out. You do want to feel a bit of a stretch in the glute area here, sometimes referring down the leg. If this is too easy for you, you can slowly bring your knee up a bit higher and using your hands under your knee here, just pulling it up. 1, 2, 3, and relaxing. So you're going to do about 12 reps of these. And just breathing through the discomfort. So as you pull, you should feel a stretch through the glutes here and relaxing. And just breathing as you pull. If you feel pain at any time, just stop, have a break, there's nothing wrong with that, and then slowly getting back into it. Okay. And making sure you're doing both sides, so ankle on the knee, slowly bringing it up, and pull. So the reason we stretch out the glutes is because if your glutes are a bit too tight, then your back's going to be trying to get that extra range that your hips should be doing, and it's going to pull on your back and you get that back pain. So your hips are meant to be pretty flexible like your shoulders. It's a ball and socket joint, so it's meant to get about close to 360 or 270 degrees of movement. And if it's not doing that, then it's going to pull on your back, or it's going to pull on your hamstrings, and you're going to get that tight feeling through those areas. So everyone would benefit from a bit of a glute stretch, especially if you're sitting for a long period of time every day. This will just help to free up your hips. And just make sure you breathe through the stretch. Last one. Cool. Alright. So that's the glute stretch in a supine position. Give it a go.